nothing to do, so I will scrap down this lifan engine. It's broken and I don't care about it anymore. I don't even want to repair it. I'm only going to save parts from it, even if I don't use the parts, and scrap the case. So I will show you what you can get out of this when you save parts and scrap the rest. From that engine I'm going to keep this, the clutch disc, the cylinder, the piston, the ignition coils, or what it's called, ignition plate, or whatever, the cylinder head, cover for the aluminum head, but I have many of those, a few clutches, and that's all the aluminum. And here's the steel I'm gonna scrap, but that I will not scrap. And then I have a buyer that's going to pick that one up and pick that one up when he has the time. As you can see here, I have aluminum, one clutch, one more clutch that I'm never gonna use. But why do I keep it? I don't know. I have one aluminum part there I'm never gonna use. I have one aluminum part there I'm never gonna use. Well, you get the point. I got too much shit that I'm never gonna use. I got one engine block right there that I'm never gonna use, I think. I got some more things I'm never gonna use. And some old Volvo wheels that my brother has standing here. One B18, one B20, and some old Moto Marine, Franco Marino, Marino Franco parts that I'm going to sell on auction, I think, or something. What will I do now? Don't ask me. No clue. But from lifan engine you get that metal pile. That's a pile for me, and that aluminium pile. And some tools. And the biggest scrap pile.